According to the Tibetan calendar, the heavens have opened their gates, and the earth will soon be bathed in the blessings of rain. These upcoming days are considered the most auspicious and magical time for individuals to purify both their outer and inner selves. These auspicious days carry profound, almost literal significance, as belief holds that within the span of a day, a unique moment occurs when all the waters are transformed, as if by magic, into a sacred elixir bestowed from the heavens by Buddha himself. According to ancient legend, in an era stretching back eons, a revered Buddha named Dipankara resided. Upon his passing, a remarkable statue in his likeness, known as Sangye Marmaise, was meticulously crafted and placed within the depths of an ocean, possibly the vast expanse of the Indian Ocean, by the king of the Nagas, a mythical race of serpent beings. Upon the completion of this sacred statue's construction, an extraordinary event transpired. A rain of ambrosia, referred to as Duitsi, descended from the celestial sphere, originating from the Karmariki star in the heavens. It is believed to be a powerful star associated with cleansing and purification. This ambrosia, a heavenly nectar, was presented as an offering by the king of Devas and Brahma. From that ancient day onward, it is believed that this sacred rain of ambrosia revisits the earth annually, performing a profound cleansing of the world. Each year, skilled astrologers diligently determine the precise hour when this auspicious event unfolds. As the eve of Blessed Rainy Day approaches, people prepare by filling buckets with water and placing them under the open sky overnight, ensuring that the water receives its sanctifying touch at precisely the appointed celestial moment. A cherished tradition follows this celestial event. It is customary for individuals to partake in a bath as all water have turned into ambrosia. This symbolic act represents not only the cleansing of the physical body, but also the purification of the spirit. People believe that this ritual bath can dispel diseases, negative karma, ill fortune, and other malevolent influences that may have accumulated. This year, the Blessed Rainy Days begin on September 23, 2023, and last for 7 days.